Just like that, you can make a fortune. Hey guys, back again here from Nashville, Tennessee. I can't let you go without making one more video for you. And most of everything I do has to do with some form of scavenging, creating something out of nothing. Here's an idea for you. Just had them in Nashville, just around the corner from the Johnny Cash Museum. Had an idea just a moment ago. I've got to share this with you. There's only one Johnny Cash Museum here in Nashville. So here's an idea. Just like over there somewhere, rent one of those buildings, or rent some ground floor space and some building up and down Broadway here. It wouldn't even have to be on Broadway. And have Johnny Cash Museum #2. And you could say that it's different from the original because the film quality is better, because it shows more videos while you're doing the tour, because it does X, Y, or Z things. Just like that, you can make a fortune. I see the lines around the corner here at the Johnny Cash Museum. I had to stand in line 15 minutes just to get through the front door. So crowded in there, 200 people at least. Totally incredible. Totally incredible. That's an idea. You could fly down here tomorrow and go into business in 30 days, rent some space, charge the tourists. I had to pay $23 just to get in the door. You could charge half that much and make a fortune. Use your head. Don't let your brain go to waste. If you do, you are the only person to blame for that. Okay, this is going to be a short video today, but I wanted to leave those thoughts with you. And you don't have to create a Johnny Cash Museum. You can go to New York City and create a Donald Trump Museum or whatever. Man, the people are just coming in hordes. No exaggeration. I wish I could film all the people that are just standing in front of the Johnny Cash Museum or are inside it. Anyway, I've said enough on that. Remember the idea. Create. Be creative. Once you start to get the wheels turning in your brain, there's no stopping point. All right, I'm going to let you go at that. I'm at 2.5 minutes. Have a wonderful day, and this is Scavenger Steve from Nashville, Tennessee, encouraging you to go seize the day and scavenge your way. And why I'm talking loud, because all these bars have their windows open. All the amateur musicians just play for tips. Every one of these storefronts up and down Broadway, all the music is free, and some of these musicians are very good. You can spend a whole week here if you like music, especially if you like country music. And it's not all country. Bye. See you later, alligators, when your legs are straighter.